Nakuru.
Now, a suspected bandit attack along the Baragoi Road turned tragic when a police vehicle transporting Remandees was ambushed at Charda, resulting in the death of a police officer and the escape of 8 prisoners.
Now, the driver of the vehicle, which was ferrying the Remandees from Maralal prison to Baragoi for court proceedings, lost control and rolled after the attack.
Now, police are combing the area in search of the escapees.
Samburu County Police Commander Thomas Ototo confirmed the incident, stating that a joint operation involving KDF, GSU and GD officers has been launched to track down the bandits and recapture the escapees.